welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will learn how to open the File Explorer in Windows 11. It is easy, so let's go. The most common way to open File Explorer is to click the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. You can also type the word Explorer on the search field of your taskbar. If you want to open the File Explorer super quick, you can just press the key shortcut Win+E. File Explorer can be opened also from a special menu. If you right-click the Windows logo on your taskbar, be sure to right-click instead of left-clicking. You can also press Win+R to bring up Run Window, then type Explorer into the text field. Note if you have used the Run window before, the previous command is already filled in. If so, you could just press Enter to initiate the command. Thank you for joining us today. If you find our videos useful, please like the video and subscribe to find out other cool things you could do with your computer.